Don't stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt.
Napalaos nga ang kampo nagyaman kada kay amin nga tumutulong ken makipagrikna iti panagradadingit mi iti daytoy kanito. Awan kami man dita makitayo ti puso ken riknami ket adda nakidanggay kada kayo. Ket da kayo nga naulila ti kabsat ko, agbaleng kayo kuma nga natibker, agtinolong tirigat ken namay, ragsak ken liday, ken addaan respeto. Sang kamay sa tayo kumang mangi kararag, itinatalina ay nga inna panagina na. Diyos ti kumuyog king kaading ko.
Itinagan ti pamilyami kayat kuman ngayawat tinabara kablaaw ken panagyaman mi kada kayo amin nga timultulong iti serbisyo pinansyal, material ken inay spirituan. Sapay kuma tan ni Apo bendisyonan na titunggal may sa kada tayo. Ni manding amu tayo nga isuna ket na ulimek nagaget ken man nakitulong. Ngem numan adda nagbidutan na itipada na nga tao dawatek iti pamakawan lal ken ni Apo Dios tapno ti kasta may karing nga sumaklang sa digloria. Amo manding nga si kakit inpatpateg na ka ti pamilyami kang runaan kadagitoy anak mi. Sapay kuma tapakawanem no nyaman dagiti nagkurkurangan titong manggal maysa kada kami. Tiyempo na meten ngindakan palubosan nga ginana. Till we meet again, ading ko.
Uncle, may you rest in peace. Pasensya ka nun di kami nga makaumay ti maudi agon daway. Agyaman kami una ti aming nga naitultulong mo kada kami. No kailangan da ka nga dakalatad ta nga sagana nga tumulong kada kami. Agyaman kami matno kasi nga kailangan mi ti mangi-drive kanya no da papanami agpasyaron or nyaman no bakasyon kami ken oreno anya nga papanan. Naanos kalat nga mangi-drive kanya mi. Agyaman nagtada ka idi nga nangi-drive. Idin tali dak di hospital. Idin appendicitis na. Narigat nga klonon ti kawan mo, uncle. Lumampay kasta kailangan nga tanggapin mi. Kun amukmat nga nariknam ti panangipatag mo kanya, panangipatag mi kanyam. Hindi sibiyag ka pa eh. Paalam, uncle. Ang ginanakan iti sidong ni Apo. Dispenseran na kami ng daman ng kurkurang mi.
Agyaman kami ang unay Apo kagiti pagkapamilya gayem nga imay kinumay pa'y makipagladingit iti mananaw nga uncle mi. Agyaman kami Apo tanda kayo nga mang luliwa kadagiti na panawan ni uncle ni Kirsten ni Cyril. Sabi ko mga Apo ta kapag sabat kami tumot amin. Uncle, nandakan tupol sa malipatan. Sabi ko mataginanakan, iti sidong ni Apo. Until we meet again.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
tell you.
when I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship,